Well, the curfew imposed in Belagavi city, Nipani and Khanapur towns has been extended till midnight of July 29th. The curfew had been imposed after protesters in Yellur village turned violent and engaged in stone pelting. The protesters were up in arms after the district administration demolished a milestone indicating that the village was part of Maharashtra. Additional reinforcements have been rushed to ensure that the law and order is maintained. Meanwhile, the Karnataka government's special officer Hemant Nimbalkar is camping in Belagavi and helping the district administration. My colleague Arun joins us with more details. Arun, if you could take us through what is the situation currently? Things still very much tense, but any sort of protests breaking out?
Akshita, as we speak, there is some amount of tension in the air which is palpable, and that's the reason why, as you rightly pointed out, the police reinforcements have been rushed in. But what seems to be now a very disturbing development which has come to light is the fact that actually there have been such a large number of boards which have been put up in most of the villages, which are the border villages between Karnataka and Maharashtra, particularly which fall under the Nipani and Khanapur taluks, and also in those villages where you have predominantly large number of Marathi-speaking population in Belagavi town. So clearly the idea is that these boards put up by mischief mongers proclaim that this particular village or this particular area is actually part of Maharashtra has been put up. In fact, on last count, we are given to believe that close to about 50 or 60 such boards have suddenly appeared, and now it's going to be a Herculean task because it seems that the MES is cocking a snook at the district administration and saying that we will continue to put up these boards not just in Yellur village, which is more or less now a closed chapter, but across the border villages, and we will create enough and more nuisance. So it's going to be a Herculean task for the district administration to first remove these boards, and more importantly ensure that after the boards are removed, there is no law and order situation. So clearly at this point of time, the district administration has much more on its plate than perhaps it had ever bargained for, Akshita.
Right, Arun. Also, of course, we understand that the curfew has been extended. Is this keeping in mind the fact that the police believe MES activists could spread their protests to other areas as well?
That is the fear. The reason why they have extended the curfew in Yellur village as far as Nipani Taluk, Khanapur Taluk and Belagavi Taluk is to actually preempt any kind of nuisance being created by these mischief mongers. But now with these boards appearing, it does appear that the district administration will have much more on its hands than it bargained for. We will have to wait and watch what happens next, because remember, one, these boards have to be removed or demolished, and two, the district administration has to ensure that things don't go from bad to worse, because remember, this could be used, the removal of these boards could be used as a pretext by these mischief makers to foment trouble, and that could be the real issue at this point of time. So it's a very touch and go kind of a situation at this point of time as we speak. The police believes that it's got control and it will be able to exercise the necessary control over the people, but it remains to be seen whether post the curfew, remember the curfew is enforced till midnight of tomorrow, and post that, if there is any relaxation, then probably we are talking of more trouble coming our way, Akshita.
Right, Arun, thank you so much for joining us with all those updates. After the Galata that was witnessed yesterday, where MES activists were beaten up by the police after they tried to corner journalists, it looks like the cops are leaving nothing to chance. They're trying to ensure that the border issue doesn't get raked up again. Curfew, Section 144, which is being imposed in different areas, not just in Yellur, but in Belagavi city, Khanapur, as well as Nipani. So they are ensuring that whatever steps need to be taken is taken up so that these clashes do not get any worse.